This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So I'm always different than the other interviewer. I want to ask a silly question to you. Please do not be offended or do not think anything wrong way. What is a web actually? What does it do?
Okay, thank you for the question. A web application is basically a software program and that runs on a web server, and this is basically accessible through a web browser. If you want to access a web application, you have to use a browser, um, and you can use it over the internet. And web application have like user interface, interacts with data, and it's provide you dynamic content. And they don't require installation in your local computer, and it can be maintained on the server side. So if you want to give me an example like social media, email services, e-commerce sites, and like productive tools, these are the example that includes web application.
Thank you. So I'm also, since this is the interview, I'm also going to actually the give my version. Thank you for your answer. So web application is where the business is exposing their business to the clients. Clients means all their users, where users are only required to install the web browser on their computer, remaining there actually when they make a request, all the request is coming from the back end, which is the business logic. That's actually the web technology is. It is actually robust nowadays and super popular in the industry in the era of digital technologies.